I've been reading about marine cargo reinsurance, but I'm still not clear on how it works. Can you explain and give some examples?
Of course. Marine cargo reinsurance helps insurers manage risks associated with shipping goods by sea, air, or land. These goods face risks like damage, theft, or natural disasters during transit. Reinsurers share this risk with insurers, covering a portion of potential losses.
So it's all about sharing the risk for goods in transit?
Exactly. For instance, if a company ships $50 million worth of electronics, the insurer may reinsure $30 million of that risk with a reinsurer, retaining $20 million. If a storm damages the cargo, the reinsurer would cover their share of the loss.
I see. Does marine cargo reinsurance cover more than just damage during transit?
Yes. It also covers risks like theft, piracy, fire, and accidents during loading and unloading. For example, if goods are stolen at port or damaged in rough seas, the reinsurer shares the financial burden.
Are certain types of cargo more likely to need reinsurance?
Definitely. High-value goods like electronics, luxury items, pharmaceuticals, or bulk goods like oil are prime candidates. Let's say a shipment of oil worth $100 million is at risk of collision or environmental hazards. The insurer may keep $30 million of the risk and reinsure $70 million. If an incident occurs, the reinsurer would cover their share.
What if the cargo is a total loss?
In a total loss, the reinsurer steps in according to the agreed share. If a ship sinks with $50 million of electronics and the reinsurer covers 60%, they'll pay $30 million, while the insurer covers $20 million.
It seems especially important for large shipments. Are there other factors reinsurers consider?
Yes, reinsurers assess the route, the vessel, weather risks, and even political instability. For example, if goods pass through a piracy-prone area like parts of the Indian Ocean, the reinsurer might increase premiums or coverage terms based on that risk.
So, the reinsurer considers not just the cargo, but the entire journey?
Exactly. Factors like the type of goods, how they're packaged, and the route all play a role in pricing the reinsurance. A shipment of fragile items might carry different terms than bulk commodities.
Does marine cargo reinsurance apply to other transport modes like air or rail?
Yes, it applies to goods transported by air, rail, and land. Even though it's called marine reinsurance, the same principles apply to cargo in transit across all modes.
Can you give an example for air transport?
Certainly. If a company ships $20 million worth of luxury goods by air and the reinsurer covers 70% of the risk, they'd pay $14 million if the cargo is damaged, for example, by a fire at the airport.
It seems like reinsurance is essential for large, valuable shipments.
It is. Reinsurance helps insurers cover high-value cargo without bearing the full financial risk. Without it, covering large shipments would be risky. Reinsurers provide financial stability, especially for unpredictable events.
Thanks, Susan. This really clarified how marine cargo reinsurance works.